Hey everyone, it's Amir Ali. Welcome to Code and Cadet by Sam. In this video, we are going to explore what really happens inside a Spring Boot application when it starts. Step by step, from the main method to creating the IoC container, scanning components, injecting dependencies, and finally running the app. Starting point, main method. So let's begin with the starting point, the main method. Inside this, we call SpringApplication.run. And this one call is the actual entry point that triggers the complete Spring Boot startup process. Spring Application bootstraps. From here, Spring Boot starts bootstrapping the application. At this stage, the environment is prepared and external configuration files are loaded. That means files like application.properties or application.yml, including profile-based ones, are read and added into the environment object. Later, beans and configuration classes can directly use these values. Create application context. Next, Spring creates the application context, also called the IoC container. This is the heart of Spring. It manages all beans, their complete lifecycle, and their dependencies. And because it already has the configuration values from the environment, beans can easily access them using annotations like @value or @configuration properties. Component scanning begins. Once the container is ready, Spring performs component scanning. It looks through the class path for classes annotated with @component, @service, @repository, or @controller. All of these are registered as bean definitions in the container waiting to be created. Bean creation and injection. Now comes the bean creation phase. The IoC container starts creating beans one by one. If a bean depends on another, Spring automatically injects it, whether through constructor injection, setter injection, or even field injection. This is what we call dependency injection in action. App is ready. Finally, the application is ready to run. If it's a web application, the embedded server like Tomcat starts up, and now the app begins accepting HTTP requests. So let's quickly recap the full lifecycle. It begins with the main method. Then Symfony.run bootstraps the environment. The application context is created. Components are scanned. Beans are created and injected. Post-processors and AOP features are applied. Startup logic is executed. And finally, the application is fully ready to run. Do you have any questions? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this helpful, do support the channel by hitting like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos on microservices, Spring Boot, and other tech topics. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.